Sophie. Alright, so it is 6:43 on Monday morning, March 18th. Say good morning. Say good morning, Aunt Grizzy. Good morning, Aunt Grizzy. Say hello. Yep, I'm eating some Cheerios. Just hanging out. So I just had my yogurt and oatmeal for breakfast. I know. Tell her. Say good morning. I love my Cheerios. Are you eating Cheerios? Sophie. Sophia. Where's Bubba? Where's Bubba? Where is he? He's over there. Call him. Call him. Come on. Here we go. What? 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 Excuse me. Excuse me. What are you saying? Excuse me. Are you... Excuse me. Don't show Mommy your Cheerios sticking out of your mouth. That's not polite. What? What? Say, wake up, Grandma. Wake up, Grandma. Wake up, Daddy. Okay. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Wave your hand like this. Bye-bye. Have a good day, everybody.